Hi all, welcome back to the channel and our kayaking adventures. Today we paddle Florida's Intracoastal waters near New Smyrna, where we almost lose our way in the mangroves, check out some derelict boats, and even see some of Florida's finest wildlife.
I saw the sea turtle!
Oh, you saw a sea turtle?
That's what I was after!
Arr, join us on this adventure. Continuing our Florida winter adventures, we arrived at the New Smyrna North Causeway Boat Ramp, unloaded our kayaks, and paid the $10 parking fee just in the nick of time before parking enforcement made its rounds. The east side of the North Causeway Boat Ramp has two boat ramps, and it offers some protection from the wind when launching. Our plan was to paddle south toward Chicken Island to see what the island had to offer. And with every adventure, we were hoping to see some aquatic wildlife. We launched about 10 a.m. The temperature was 73 degrees. There was a slight breeze, but nothing we couldn't handle. It was a good day to be out on the water. Chicken Island is not too far from the boat ramp, and based on Google Maps, it looks like a fairly large island. The island's history goes back to the first available survey in about 1768 during the British colonization effort of New Smyrna Beach. That survey shows an almost triangular-shaped island at the present island's location. The island's size was increased when the adjacent Intracoastal Waterway was dredged in the 1950s and the spoil was dumped on Chicken Island.
So this here is Chicken Island. Although those don't look like chickens to me. Bark, bark, bark.
While there were many birds congregating on Chicken Island, chickens were not one of them. We decided to paddle around and enjoy the kayaking, with plans to possibly visit the island later on in the day.
Well, that's one way to park a boat. Probably not the most recommended way.
This section of the Indian River Lagoon was a new area for us. It's always interesting to see what we will encounter in unfamiliar water. Passing under the South Causeway, we had no plans on a destination. We were just going to paddle south until we saw something interesting. We were just aimlessly wandering. We weren't far from the causeway before we saw some wildlife activity, the pelicans diving in the water, their familiar splashing, and the dolphin fishing along the shoreline. This was going to be another exciting adventure with our dorsal finned friends.
What is that? Oh, it's a pelican. Hey, what is that?
We paddled closer to the splashes in hopes to see the dolphin, and plus I wanted to see this breached vessel sitting on the shoreline. I like seeing some of the names people choose for the boats, and some of them are quite amusing.
Island time. I think he's waiting for high tide time. So these dolphins apparently are interested in the boat. Or maybe just the fish.
We come back same way?
Yeah, we have to.
Okay, so we just move on?
Alright. Oh. Huh?
Oh!
Oh, what was that? A lot of water. went up in the air. Woo-hoo-hoo. So yeah, there is some dolphin fishing and playing here. We've got a current coming against us, so the water feels a little heavy. Yeah, a lot of dolphin out here. They just don't want to be near us.
After watching the dolphin for a bit, we decided to seek shelter from the wind and explore this inlet. I was hoping we could use its trails to paddle north a little easier. Plus, with any luck, we might find some more interesting wildlife. I figured if the trails branched off in different directions, as long as we took a left, we should make it back to the Indian River. I just didn't realize how many twists and turns this trail had us follow.
This is either this way or this way. We've got to figure out how to get back out there. Or we got to turn around. Let's go this way first. See.
Some marker like the 1000 Island.
No, this is a good area to stay out of the wind and explore. Though I think you might get lost because the map, it doesn't help. So what we're looking for is hopefully another left. And then we should be able to get out of here, I think. Worst case, we have to turn around and remember which ways we turned to come in here.
I hope we don't have to U-turn.
So we've got a dock right here, so we can't be too lost. Yep, we're good. Land ho! I mean bridge ho! Shipwreck! Island time! The SS Island time!
A familiar ship we had seen earlier in the day. Fortunately, we found enough trails that connected and found a way out of there. It was time to go explore the other side of Chicken Island.
See, Dada! I saw the sea turtle.
Oh, you saw a sea turtle?
That's why I was after.
Oh, okay.
It's very above the water. It was not above the under the water, so probably I didn't get it.
Even when paddling together, each person's experience can be different. Miss Kayak 7C saw the sea turtle. I was too far away that I had missed out on her screams, alerting me it was there.
Don't forget to subscribe to Kayak 7C's. Idler. Yes, this idler is going nowhere.
On the south side of Chicken Island, there were a few more derelict boats that I was going to paddle on by. I can only imagine the amount of money that was tied up in these vessels before they were abandoned to the sea. The Sea Star. No trespassing.
It's been there since, I think the notice said September.
Last year? This year?
2021, yeah. I can't really tell though because it's written in red and it's faded.
Thank you for watching our latest adventure, kayaking Florida's Intracoastal Waterway. If you like this video, be sure to click that like button. If you're new to this channel or have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. I certainly would appreciate it. Hit that bell icon to be notified so you can be one of the first to watch one of our next videos. Check out some of our past adventures. Until the next time, I hope to see you out on the water someday.